Hi, starting out with Wave Oven Recipes. Today, I'm going to be using the NuWave Breville XL Smart Oven's broil function to heat up some sausage from frozen. So this smart convection toaster oven can do a pretty good job with that. I'm going to show it to you right now. Okay, so I got myself here 6 sausage patties. I've got my baking pan for the NuWave Breville XL Smart Oven Air Fryer with the grill grate on top of it. I'm going to take my rack that's in there, I'm going to move that up to the third up from the bottom position. I'm going to go ahead and just take some cooking spray and just spray it on this grill rack. Now I'm going to take my sausages, put those up on the grill rack. 2, 3, number 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm going to open up the smart oven, put this pan inside with the grill rack. I'm going to close it up. Now I'm going to turn the smart oven on with the on-off button. Now I'm going to hit the menu button until I get to broil. And so now I'm going to broil. It's 500 degrees, 10 minutes. You can't turn that any higher. Won't let you increase the time any, and 500 is the maximum temperature this smart oven will do, and it only does it on the broil function. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start and let it run for 10 minutes, and then I'll bring you back. There's more steps to be done. Okay, as we come down into the final seconds, I just want to mention that the broil function only runs the top heating elements, and it runs those at maximum power to achieve that 500 degrees. And once this finishes, I'll just hit the on-off button to turn it off so it doesn't do any excessive beeping. But we're just coming to our final 10 seconds here. And what I'm going to do, I like to flip mine, so as soon as it stops, I'm going to do a flip of mine before I do the next step of cooking here. So I'll just turn that off, I'm going to turn the light on, I'm going to open it up, then I flip mine over. If you don't like to flip yours, you don't have to, I don't believe, but I like to flip mine. That's my personal preference, to get it cook on both sides the way I like mine. So now I just stick them right back in here and close up, and now I turn it back on. Since you can't do broil for more than 10 minutes, I just go back clicking menu to get to broil again, and this time I hit time temp and I bring the time down to 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Click start, and so let that cook for another 5 minutes at that 500 degrees with the broiler. And since I like to cook it, I like to flip it, it works out good for me anyway that it only goes for 10 minutes, because then I know it's time to flip them. But I'll bring you on back in about 5 minutes. Alright, as we come into nearly the last 30 seconds, you can see that we're basically starting to get just a little, you might be able to see a little smoke coming out of there, but basically you don't want to take it any longer than this, because if you do longer than 15 minutes total, you're going to get even more smoke than this coming out. But this little bit of smoke isn't really a problem, and things are about to be done. Alright, time's up. Stop that. Turn a light on. And get a meat probe in there to test temperature really quick. And temperature is rising up. It's moving along pretty quick. It's going to cross over 170, which is what I want. So with frozen sausage, you want to take it up well over 170. So stop my meat probe there from doing any more activity. Get that meat probe out of there. Alright, we know our sausage is safe to eat. I'm just going to grab one. Well, I'll let you have a look at them here. Alright, I'm going to get one off. I'll just get that one off that I temperature tested, but they all look good and done. I'm just going to cut this open, let you have a look. You can see in there, fully cooked. I'm just going to cut a little bite-sized piece off. get the camera swapped around and do a taste test of this frozen sausage from the NuWave Breville. Alright, here's our sausage. Let's do a taste. It's very good, very moist. Quick way to get sausage done. As quick as the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. I thought the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite was the fastest way to knock the sausage out in 15 minutes in it. But the NuWave Breville is able to match that with its broil function. So there you go. The broil is like the hidden gem of the NuWave Breville. And this other recipes and heating instructions are at superwaveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter, Wave Oven Recipes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.